Welcome to KRW Live on Patrol. How's everybody doing? We're at Tulare, take that back, it's Kern and Eureka. This is a pedestrian versus train. As you can see, there's a train on the track, BNSF. And apparently this individual gets struck by the train. It's now confirmed a deceased person. Exactly. I don't know, he looked like there's some kind of like he's trying to possibly cross the tracks. There's a stroller, it's right there underneath the train, and that's the person. He's been covered. He's deceased. This is at Kern and Eureka. On the other side is East Truxton. So it's an unfortunate accident. Apparently homeless person, transient. He's been pronounced deceased, 901H. He's underneath that yellow covering. When I came across the scanners, it said it was severe laceration on the neck. It's bleeding profusely. They did start CPR was in progress. CPR was in progress. They could not revive this person. You can see this train stretched all the way down the tracks going towards the east. Again, this is just a little short clip. 901H, the person got struck by a train. He has been pronounced dead at the scene. The coroner's going to be en route to come and examine the body, and he'll be transported to the morgue behind that Kern Medical Center. The track is blocking several major roadways in this direction. This train's going to be stopped for a while. Yeah, there is some kind of like a baby stroller he probably had this little trying to cross this track. The train is coming. Prayers to this individual. This is KRW Live on Patrol. Appreciate you guys joining me today for this depressing scene. We're only going to go about 5 minutes, then I'm going to shut it down. We're seeing all you can see here. This person's deceased. Show us where this person's loved ones some respect. I'll be back out here shortly. This is a very, very long train. There's no way in hell a person could sustain that impact, that even a so it's unfortunate. These railroad people, they got to see part of the job, they know it. From time to time they're going to run into stuff like that. So this lady right here is a railroad person. She's taking pictures of the actual locomotive for her report.
Detail on RP from TAC 431 and Q in 20 seconds. Clear that call. I'll be dropped to the 211 alarm.
This is a pedestrian versus train. This train was coming down the tracks heading back west, and apparently this individual tried to cross the tracks right here in Kern and Eureka, and unfortunately he didn't make it. He got struck by the train. He is deceased, 901H. It happens, man. These people, they try to cross these tracks and they think they can make it. I don't know. It's unfortunate. See, it was here about an hour ago. It's gone now. So, prayers to this individual. And I appreciate you guys joining KRW Live on Patrol. Unfortunately, this ain't one of the ones I want to see. The railroad people continue to do their investigation down there. Alright guys, appreciate you guys joining in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Tune in, you guys be safe. Stay safe out there, man. and just try to take